So this video is just on how to get your remote control to work if it's stopped working. A couple solutions that I've found, and I just want to share that with you on how to fix it. So this is a video for those of you who have problems with your garage door remotes not working. So for example, if it is you drive out and you just got bad range, you hit the button from your driveway and that's just not working even from your driveway. That's just telling you something's wrong. Your remotes should usually reach at least your driveway. I mean, even out into the streets is what's normal. So if you hit the button and you don't get a response like that, or if it's not working at all, this video is for you. So step one, we are obviously going to tell you, check the battery. That's as easy as just splitting the remote in half. Change out that battery. It's usually a CR2032 or a CR2016. I know some of them got other ones, but those are the most common. And I'll link those below on Amazon if you'd like to purchase those. So change the battery, see if that'll work. If that doesn't work, or if you've changed the battery and it's still not doing anything, you've got no signal, nothing like that, next thing you want to do is try to reprogram it, because sometimes removing the battery just kind of kills the signal there. So what you want to do is just come inside. Most openers will have like a little purple square, yellow, red, or green. Just push that little square or the circle and then push your remote. If it does have a signal, it will flash for you, or it will make like a click sound. At that point your remote is programmed. That will open and close your garage door now, or at least it should. Now, if the range is still weak, for example, if you're out in the street and it's still not working for you, another thing you can do is, extend this wire. Some people have done that, and some of our customers have done that, and I've seen that work for some people. Not everyone, of course, and it's actually fairly rare that I've seen that actually fix the problem. But you know what? It's worth a shot. So you could try that. Just get a piece of speaker wire or something, splice into this, and just kind of wind it, or just kind of wrap it up and let it hang and see if that affects it. So that's another thing you can do. So number three, obviously if the remote didn't program, you might want to just change out your garage door remote, get a new one entirely, so you don't have to worry about that. Final thing I would recommend is, so when you open your garage door, you obviously have lights inside your garage door opener. Some people replace those lights with LED. Those LED light bulbs are sometimes the culprit to this problem. So for example, you drive out into the driveway, you hit the button, no action, but when you come inside the garage, you hit the button and it works for you. Check the bulbs. If you have LED, or even if they're just regular light bulbs, try to switch out those light bulbs, because sometimes that does interfere with the frequency. That does affect it every now and then. So you might want to try that out first before seeing about replacing remotes or batteries or anything like that, if the range is your problem. So give that a try. I will link down below. They do have specific light bulbs made for garage door openers. Not sure if you want to go that route, but you can try that out. They're a couple bucks a piece. If you want to use those, I'll have them linked down below as well. Aside from that, that is pretty much all the solutions I have for bad signal or weak remotes, stuff like that. Obviously, if the remote's bad, you will just want to replace it. So if you gave those all a try and it worked for you, I'd love to hear about it. Tell me about it in the comments below. If you have any questions for me, leave it down as well. If you liked the video or if it helped you, be sure to leave it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you're updated with all the new videos I post, and with all the fixes and repairs on the garage door stuff. Just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.